Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to get your WordPress sitemap on Bluehost. First, I will jump to the websites page to open a new WordPress website from here. So I will open it in a new tab. This is my WordPress website. And to get my WordPress website sitemap, simply click after your website domain name like that, then add slash or backslash, then write sitemap.xml and hit enter. And this way you will find all the available. As you see here, I have my website comes with 4 sitemaps, and each one is for a specific type of content. The first one is for posts or articles. The second one is for pages. The third one is for categories, and the last one is for authors. Let's click on, or let's open the first one. As you see, this is the 2 articles that. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Articles that added to my website. So in order to link or to add or to give your WordPress sitemap, you should give all of those 4 sitemaps to get the best indexing. And this is how to get your WordPress sitemap on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.